One of the most common issues with the PlayStation 5 is a damaged HDMI port. But what actually causes it? The first culprit is overheating. When the console's vents are clogged or it's stored in a tight space, the system can't breathe. That heat builds up and weakens the solder joints on the HDMI port. It gets worse if the console is kept upright, because over time, the liquid metal inside can drip down due to gravity, creating dry spots and unstable connections. The second reason is physical damage, and it's more common than you'd think. Plugging the HDMI cable in at an angle, yanking it out too hard, or even accidentally knocking over the console while it's plugged in can all bend or break the delicate pins inside. At OG Repairs, we've seen it all. With over 10 years of experience, we know exactly what to look for and how to get your console back to life. We begin by dismantling the console. The outer plates are carefully removed, followed by the internal shielding. At OG Repairs, we take our time with this process. No forcing, no shortcuts, just precision and experience. Once we're in, we start removing all internal screws and components one by one until the motherboard is exposed. Then, we clean up the pads and solder on a brand new high-quality HDMI port with precision alignment. But we don't stop there. Before reassembly, we perform a full HDMI test using our custom test jig to check signal, output and response. We also inspect the joints under magnification to ensure zero bridging or cold solder points. Only once it passes our testing phase does it move on to the next step. Once testing is complete, we begin reassembling the console. Every screw, every cable, everything goes back exactly where it belongs. We then perform a final power-up test, ensuring the console powers on, the HDMI output is crisp, and the buttons all work as expected. If everything checks out, we clean the exterior and get the console ready for collection or delivery. From no signal to fully functional, that's how we bring your console back to life. With over 10 years of hands-on repair experience, OG Repairs is trusted across the UK for fast, reliable console fixes. Whether you drop it off at our Royal Victoria Dock location or post it in, we've got you covered. Want to see more of what we do? Follow us on Instagram at @OG Repairs Official to catch our day-to-day repairs, behind-the-scenes content and regular story updates. And if you're ready to book your repair, head to ogrepairs.com. We'll get you back in the game.